Hello everyone, now this is one Seagate pension drive for one DFA user in India. Now we can check this pension drive and its family ID is 54. And according to the user, this drive has the problem of snow issue and it's snowing, detected slowly and cannot access the data arrow. So we have connected this pension drive to the DFL Seagate firmware repair hardware, and we can try to check the hex data. So this is the hex. We can go to the LBA and we read just one sector. One sector is 512 bytes, so we can check the partition mark. Now, after we have cleared the glist, we also reset the smart. Not yet regenerate the translator at this time, so we check the modernist. This is modernist, okay? We can try to check also the SOS files from the SA operations. Read SOS files, and let's see. Because this drive, we can access to the modulist directly, and the firmware arrow is not locked, so we can access this SOS file list directly. We can try to back up these important SOS files and then click OK. Now let's check the backup situation. All the three important SOS files have been read successfully. Okay, now let's try to use the DFL DDP data recovery software to access the data and see if it's possible to get lost partitions back. Okay, so Seagate DDP. New project. So this is a file extraction, and the software is trying to list all master partitions now, and we can go to snug window. Right now we see some error occurs when we are trying to access to data error, and now some LBA read error. This means there are some bad sectors, so we can try to stop here. Anyway, the master partitions are all listed now, and we can try to check. So this is the root folder, and we can see here are all the lost folders, and this is the third partition, root folder, and this is the master partition. For the third partition, it's okay. All the master data have been available, but for the master partition, it's about 100 GB. So there are some bad sectors. That means users need to image this drive first and then extract the source data from the image file or the image target drive. So we can suggest the client to recover these important files first, and then we can go to image this one, or users can go to image the pension drive instead at one time, and finally recover the lost data from the image file. Okay, so this is how we use the DFL Seagate firmware repair software and the data recovery hardware to get the lost data back from this Seagate pension drive. Thank you for watching the video.